I'm feeling a bit sick, but what do I do? Oh, okay. Oh my God.
Really? Is it? Is it big?
Oh my God. You've got to be kidding me.
Is it big? Holy moly jolly me. Oh my God. What? What? Shall we stand downstairs? Oh my God, guys. This. Oh my days. Holy moly. Oh. It's the size of the bed. Oh my God. Babe, this room.
I said you've got 3 balconies.
Oh, the name is very big there. Oh my, guys, look at the bath. Holy moly me. Oh my God. Guys, look. They have a soap. Oh my God. And they have a shower. Oh, they have a bidet. Oh my God. These are all marbles. Oh guys, sorry, I'm just so excited. Guys, this is crazy. This is mad. Look at the size of the bathroom. You know, Tim would say 10 people can fit in here. You know, Tim, how many people do you think will fit in here? Wow, guys, look at the bath. I didn't even go to the office yet. Let's get in there. Oh, look at the robes, Moose. Babe, look at the robes. Look how soft it is. Oh my God, is that Bible or Quran? That's the Quran. And that's the Quran. There's no Bible here. It's all right. And there's office. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my laptop today, but look at the size of this office. I can see a big building in front of me. Oh my God, let me see the view. The view is viewing. How do you open this? Down. I'm being a villager. All right. Here. Oh my God. Guys, can you see that? This is mind-blowing. I cannot believe my eyes. Look at the view, guys. This is what I'm getting from my lens from the balcony of the suite. Guys, look. When you look here, this is what you see. This is what you see from here. Yeah? That's my name on the screen. That's a sofa here. That's a coffee table. That's another sofa there. That's an office there. And then there's another sofa here. There's a small sofa here. And there's a big, massive pool there. And look. Wow. Now when you look there, that's Atlantic the Royal. Beautiful. Let me zoom. Let me zoom. Look at that. Wow. My excitement. Yeah. What a hotel, guys. Do you want to see our balcony? Do you want to see our balcony? This is our house for 24 hours. This is our house for 24 hours. Can you believe that? This place here is our whole house for 24 hours. You know? That's Waldorf Astoria, guys, in Palm Jumeirah. Do me a favor, like the video if you enjoy the excitement of the room tour. Please do like the video. I will take you around. I don't know how long it's going to take me to explore the whole hotel, but look at the beach. They have a beach there. I'm planning to go to the sea and swim in the sea. You know, I love the salt water. Wow. I'm so excited. We need to open the champagne, because we brought some champagne with us. But, wow, guys, we are here. Let's go explore.